got a good storm cell rolling in here right now. Look at this front that goes all the way. Pretty much out of sight back there. There's some lightning strikes happening all over here. I don't know if you can hear that thunder rolling in the background, but it's been almost continuous for like 5-10 minutes now. At least 10 minutes. Trying to capture some of the lightning strikes, but not having any luck here. All I see is lots of boaters running for home while I sit here at anchor and whatever. I'm no worries about it. We've got 2-foot waves going through here, which doesn't show up on the camera really. Pick up another boat running for home. In my other video when I was talking about boats blowing through and throwing up big waves, you know, here we got, that was a decent sized boat. That was over 30, about 30 feet I guess, 32 feet maybe. Now you got some rollers coming in. Those are solid 3-footers coming off of him, which still barely moves my boat, so you can get an idea of the size of vessel that I was complaining about this morning when I say that big motor yachts roll through and throw huge waves. Like that doesn't even move my boat when that 32-footer goes by. When somebody in a 45 or 55 footer goes by at 20 knots, they throw up a good 4 to 6 foot wake, which does rock my boat around a bunch. Now I don't think I've caught any lightning strikes since I came out here for this video, but that's alright. It's a cool storm cell anyway. Very well defined. Very low, very distinct.